for the bowlout to commence. India bowling first. Dhoni has taken his position behind the stumps. Sehwag will bowl the first ball. A little surprised Dhoni is standing right back. It's sometimes better if he's right up next to the stumps. He hits. India open their account. This is different for even the players out there, Sonny.
Yes, I think what he's got to make sure he doesn't bowl a no ball. But that's why the umpires are out there, because a no ball won't count.
Yes, it won't count, but Sehwag will be relieved. I've hit the stumps, he'll say. I've not even bowled a single ball. Well, Gucci, you down there, what do you reckon?
Well, I reckon Umar Gul's coming on. I'm not sure about in swing or out swing. I think bowl blooming straight is going to be the answer here. But they've changed. Umar Gul was coming out to bowl. Now he's gone back, and Yasser Arafat's coming on. It's all about pressure, this, isn't it?
Yes.
He's not off his normal run-up either.
Are you hearing any tactics being discussed there? Hold it, seam up, cross seam, whatever?
I don't know about tactics. I think it's just look to the heavens and pray, actually.
Well, this is Arafat now for Pakistan, and he misses. The crowd getting into it. What's the mood there, Gucci?
Yes, Harbhajan Singh coming on. Yasser Arafat going for the full toss, not being successful. You've got to go for your normal style. Is Harbhajan Singh going to go for the off spinner or the doosra?
He hits. 2-0 India.
Well, that's 2-0. Could be a
just to remind you, this is cricket, not soccer. 2-0 India.
And now the pressure really on Pakistan.
Yes, and I'm under pressure as well.
Arafat missed the first time around, tried to hit the ball on the full, and not at his normal pace. Just came up for a 3-yard run-up, and maybe that's not easy.
Well, these are fantastic scenes. Just seeing the players.
Well,
Harbhajan goes on to celebrate.
Yes, Harbhajan looking as delighted as if he's taken a wicket. And yes, in the context of the game, it is a wicket.
So the two off-spinners doing the job. Umar Gul comes up for Pakistan. You can see that they're not bowling off a full run-up. Gucci, any reason for that? Not bowling off a full run-up?
No, I don't think that's a bit of a mistake, because you don't normally, you don't get your rhythm, do you, if you just jog up? You're trying to put the ball there. What you've got to do is bowl it normally and back your ability.
Absolutely right. Here goes Gul. Misses by a big way. It's still 2-0 India.
Well, I think it's a big mistake not bowling off a decent run-up. I can understand not bowling off your full run-up, because then there's the danger of a no ball. But I think you've got to get some rhythm to be able to bowl the ball on the stumps. And you can see how wide the ball has gone.
Here's Uthappa. He hits. 3-0 India. Pakistan had to hit with all their remaining deliveries if they have to tie this. One miss and it'll be 2 points for India.
And you can see from the faces of the Pakistanis that they are now under severe pressure. Afridi, Asif and Sohail Tanveer left for Pakistan to bowl.
Yes, I'm surprised still not off a full run-up. Missed it! India have won, and have a look at the celebrations. They might have not finished the game in conventional fashion, but it's 2 points for the Indian team, and they'll be delighted about it. What it also means that they top the group. They got 1 point against Scotland for the washout, and now 2, which means that they take those 2 points into the next stage. So a relieved Indian team after the actual match ended in a tie.